Hey everyone, welcome back, and today we will be doing 4 no glue slime recipes. So the first one we will be doing is aloe vera gel and salt, and then we will be doing aloe vera and dish soap, and aloe vera gel and light brown. So by the way, this is fermented light brown sugar, so yeah. And then the last one we'll be doing is, sorry guys, we'll be using some clear shampoo. I think this is clear shampoo, and then some salt. So yeah, let's go to the first recipe. The first recipe is going to be using aloe vera gel and some salt. So let's do that. First, I'm going to add my aloe vera gel. Look at this. And mix it up. Oops. I don't know what. Okay, yeah, I'll just keep like this. Okay. Gonna mix this up. Okay, next I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. So about this much. So after I'm gonna mix this up. I think I need more aloe vera gel. Oh my gosh, this is so cool, guys, because it is gel and it also is really sparkly. So this is how it became not like slime. So this is a fail. Okay guys, so the next slime we'll be testing out is going to be using some aloe vera gel again and some Dawn dish soap. So this is actually apple blossom scent, so it smells very good. And this also smells very good actually. It smells awesome. Okay, so the first thing we'll be doing is adding our aloe vera gel. So I'm going to add some into my bowl. About that much is good enough. Next, add my Dawn dish soap. Okay, now let's mix this up. Okay guys, so this is also a fail. It's just very watery. So yeah, this is a complete fail again. Okay guys, so the next one we will be trying out is going to be using the aloe vera gel. This is the last aloe vera gel. The last aloe vera gel slime. And using light brown fermented sugar. So yeah. First, I'm going to be adding my aloe vera gel. So I'm going to add only a little bit because I don't want to waste it. About that much is good enough. Next, add a little bit of this fermented sugar. I literally have a full jar of this, so it's going to take a long time for me to finish it. I'm not going to add too much though. Okay, I'm going to mix this up. So actually, I'm kind of really impatient, so sometimes I'm just like, if I need some of this, I just like squeeze it, and I kind of squeeze the whole entire thing, so. But here, you have to do little by little, so I'm going to do little by little. Okay, so guys, this is another fail, sadly. This is another fail, so this is just, again, watery like other ones. It's kind of jelly though, but I guess we can add a little bit more and see what happens. The other ones were very watery. This one's not that watery. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of this fermented sugar. And now it got watery. Or maybe not actually. Yeah, I got water. Okay guys, this is a fail. Okay guys, so the next slime we will be trying out is going to be using, this is actually the last one we're going to be trying out. I hope this works because everything the other ones always fail. Okay, so this is shampoo and salt. I kind of actually fail on all these, so yeah, I guess we could try again. So I am going to first take my shampoo and add it into my bowl. I hope this is clear. Oh, okay, it's white. Never mind, guys. It's actually not clear shampoo. Okay, that's good enough. I need to close this up. It smells very good. Oh my gosh, guys, this is basically already slime. Literally. Did it stick? Yeah, it does stick. Yeah, it sticks. Okay. But it's literally already slime. It's so jiggly. It's a very cool slime. I think it's going to become a nice and good slime. Add a little bit of salt. Okay, mix this up. This is so jiggly, guys. I'm going to add more since I think it's going to work. That's way good enough. Okay. This is so cool, guys. Look at this slime. Oh my gosh. This is so jiggly. Add more. Mix it up. It's nice and jiggly. Look at this. Wait, ready? 3, 2, 1. Jiggly, jiggly, jiggly. Okay, so the last step for this slime is to leave it out for a little bit, so then all the kind of water will evaporate or something. Or you could actually just put it in the fridge for about 10 minutes or 5 minutes. So yeah, I'll actually put it in the fridge. So yeah, I will see you then. Bye. This is how it looks. Okay guys, so it has been 10 minutes in the fridge, so let's see how our slime has turned out. Let's see. Nope, still very sticky, but very jiggly too. Look at this jiggly. It is very sticky though. Very cool, guys. Okay, so this is the slime. So it is very sticky though. So I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. Oh my gosh, guys, this is the best slime. Look at this. Very cool. Okay guys, I just got an idea. I think I can pour this on my table. Let's see. This is so cool. I never pour slime on my table, but yeah. I think I could clean it up, maybe. Put everything on here. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this. This is so cool. It's a jiggly guy, bro. It does stick a bunch, but I guess that's how the shampoo slime is. But it's very cool to play with, guys. I should try this. I'll make sure it's pro formula, then it works, so yeah. And make sure when it comes out it's already jiggly. If it's not, then the slime won't work. Do, 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 do. You can't even make any pokes, bro. I think these slimes don't do poke first of all, so yeah. Okay guys, so that's enough playing with this guy. Okay guys, so I cleaned up my area. So now it's not dirty anymore. So I actually got another idea. I can add food coloring. So I'm gonna add, I don't know which one to add though. I think I'll just add yellow or red. I always put blue, so I think I should put it. Yeah, maybe I'll just put blue again. I'm gonna put a little. This is not a crazy idea because that crazy idea was very bad because I really had to clean up my whole entire desk, which took a long time. So okay, that's good enough, and I'm gonna make my slime really blue. Whoa, look at this blue. It's actually like sky blue or something. I don't know, but it's a very pretty blue. And very jiggly slime. Look at how jiggly this slime is, literally. I've never seen so jiggly slime before. Okay guys, okay guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like this video, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Bye!